Miss Judy Ann, ako naman
Yes.
po, maraming natuwa nung nakasama yung Call My Manager
Oo
sa
nga.
Q Cinema Film Fest.
Finally.
After so many years, mapapalabas na siya.
Muntik nang matapos ang mundo, hindi pa siya ipapalabas.
How do you feel, ma'am, after the success of MMFF last year, you're back in another festival, and this time with Direct Eric Matis, Call My Manager?
I'm so proud of Call My Manager. I'm so excited for that series kasi when we were making that, masaya lang talaga kami. Hindi siya madali, pero masaya siya. It's very experimental, especially on my end because I play lipstick lesbian in that series. So it's something new, it's something different. And since hindi siya mainstream ang kumbaga, you can actually say whatever you want. So, ang saya lang paglaruan na, ito pala yung pakiramdam ng pagiging manager ng artista. Na-enjoy talaga namin and we missed each other so much kasi talagang hanggang madaling araw ang trabaho namin and we were working with newbies, kumbaga mga bagong alaga nila Direk Eric. And ito yung masasabi kong series na pinagsama yung mga lumang tao sa mga bagong tao. There's no in-between. So, napaka-professional nung lakaran. Napaka-professional nung buong pagkakipagtrabaho sa kanila because they're willing to listen, they're willing to learn, they're very, very professional. Most of them were theater actors. One of them is an athlete. And I just like the feeling na may mga bata kaming kasama na hindi pa, alam mo yun, yung siguro naman pwede kong sabihin to bilang napakatagal ko na sa industriya to. Yung walang ere.
Correct.
Wala pang pinanggagalingang yabang. Yung willing pa silang magkamali at makinig pag napapagalitan sila or pag minimentor sila. They're like sponge na walang ibang gustong gawin kundi, wala silang ibang gustong mangyari kundi mas mapabuti pa yung craft nila. So they really listen. That's why I'm happy finally ipapalabas na.
Correct. And